Hey everybody. Yeah, well, it's looking over the bathroom. There's our old look from like the 70s that has been here, forever. Today is supposed to be demo day, so we will see what happens. So let's say goodbye to the bathroom as it looks, if it's yellow and black and this little leaf little trim going on and some interestingness. I already have a new toilet, so we don't have to worry about that. But this is going to get a major refresh. Switch out that medicine cabinet. Going to do a major update. This cabinet is getting replaced as well. This is old school as well. That's going to be all updated. These toothbrush holder and soap dish is going to get removed. The towel bar is going to get removed. All this stuff is getting out of here. So I just wanted to do a last little look of our bathroom, of how it was of when we first bought our first house. This is our first major renovation, I guess. No, we've done a lot of home improvement over the last few weeks, but this is our first renovation of a room. So it's kind of interesting to think about it, and it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. But yeah, you see how there's black trim going around. The tile actually goes. There's no back wall to this vanity, so the tile is the back wall. So that's getting replaced. All that is coming off the wall. So yeah, I'm very excited to see how this goes. Stay tuned, and hopefully we get some pictures and video of what is going on as the time goes, each phase. But this should be awesome. I'm very interested and a little nervous, but I think it'll all come out great. At least I hope so. But bye-bye, yellow and black tile. Let's make this space look great. And yeah, my wife Shay put up this tarp to try to contain some of the dust, because the tile is going to get broken up by a hammer and dust's going to be flying everywhere, so we're trying to contain some of it. Hopefully we don't have too much of a cleanup, but that's to be expected. Especially with the walls, because the walls are going to take some more effort to remove. But yeah, so this is it. Bye, bathroom. See you on the other side of, newness. Later, guys. that was one way to do it. That was damn, son. All right. Oh, okay. Oh, whoa, hey, oh, whoa, Destructo. Whoa, keep going. Keep going. Okay, don't hit me with. Let me. Oh. Yeah. For the gram. Yeah. This man almost threw that shit at my car. Wow, that was quick work. Literally less than a minute to destroy a sink. How do you feel? How do you feel? Do you feel invigorated?
Killer.
What are you, Dexter now?
You're next.
I'm no, okay. Let me get away from you, buddy. But, oh, wow. All right. Wow, that was impressive. What do you want to say to the fans?
Don't piss me off.
All right, that's what I like to hear. On this episode, we're done. As you see, we got the dumpster going into the dumpster. But home improvement's going well. Teak is destroying. But stay tuned for more. Bye, people.